In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Google. When you finished, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now to check any password, tap on it and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!